Tighten the 3 screws to make the camera stand vertically. Install the antenna. Power connection. Indicator for power connection. Keep pressing the reset button for about 10 seconds. Cable connection. You can scan the QR code to download 3Home app. Or you can search 3Home on Google Play or App Store. Register an account. The password should include letters and digits and without special characters. Let's add a camera. You can scan the QR code or input the camera's ID manually. Name the device optionally, like home, office, or others. Input password. Monitoring screen. Snapshot. Up and down. Resolution. Local record. Menu. You can delete the device here. SD card recordings, local recordings, and snapshots. It is a wired connection now. We will switch wired connection to Wi-Fi connection. Refresh the monitoring screen for several times to wait for Wi-Fi connection.